My name is Kajol from IBM QRadar team, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a flow retention bucket in QRadar with simple practice example. In IBM QRadar, flow represents record of network activities between two hosts, capturing information about network communications that can last from seconds to days. Flow retention in QRadar determines how long data is stored before it automatically deletes. It plays a critical role in managing system storage and performance. Let us log into IBM QRadar SIM console and walk through the steps and see how to create flow retention bucket. Once you logged in, go to Admin tab. Under Data Source section, click on Flow Retention. Click on the icon to launch the tool. Here you will see options to add new bucket, edit the existing bucket, delete the bucket, and also you can enable disable the created buckets. Also we can create bucket for multiple tenants in multi-tenant environment. We'll go for default tenant for this example. Let us go ahead and create a new bucket. Also just keep in mind we can create up to 10 buckets in total. We'll click on first and click on edit. Start by giving a unique name to your bucket. We'll keep it as bucket 1. Next, choose how long do you want to keep the data. We can keep the data in place for hours, days, week, month and year. For this example, we will keep it for 1 month. Next is, here we can select when the flow data should be deleted, immediately after retention period has expired or when storage space is required. Immediately after retention period has expired means if data deletes immediately after matching filter are applied. The data is deleted at next scheduled disk maintenance process regardless of storage requirement. If we select when storage space is required, that means it keeps the data in the bucket for the filter applied until this monitoring detects that more storage is required. It removes the data based on storage space, which begins when free space drops to 15% or less, and it keeps deleting the data until free space is 18%. For example, if use the space reaches 85 for the record, data is deleted until the percentage drops to 82%. We will keep the default option for now, that is when storage space is required. You can add a short description to provide more context for the bucket. So we'll write a description as local to local, as we will be creating the bucket for flow direction. In filters, you can just search for flow direction equals to local and click on add filter. Once this is done, you can click on save. That's it. We have successfully created the flow retention bucket. Bucket 1 with the ID 1 now has been added in your deployment. You can click on save. We have successfully created a flow retention bucket with bucket ID 1. You can use retention bucket to retain flow database on specific conditions like IP address, flow source type, or as per your compliance policies. Thank you for joining us.